In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Blender file in Blender. Whether you're a seasoned 3D artist or just getting started with this incredible software, it's essential to know how to access your projects quickly and efficiently. So let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is launch Blender. If you're already familiar with this application on your computer, you likely have it pinned to your desktop or listed in your applications menu. Opening it is simple. Just give it a click and let it load up. You'll be greeted with Blender's startup interface, which features the splash screen and quick access to recent projects. Now, with Blender open, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu bar, and the first menu option you need to click is File. This drop-down menu provides access to various file-related actions, including creating new projects or, in our case, opening existing ones. Once the File menu is open, look for the Open option. It's usually one of the top selections. Click on Open, which will prompt a new window to appear. This window is your file browser within Blender, allowing you to navigate through your folders and locate the file you wish to open. Now comes the crucial step: locating your specific Blender file. The browser will showcase your directory in a way that's likely very similar to the file explorers you use outside of Blender. Navigate through your folders, whether on your hard drive, a USB stick, or another storage location. Look for the file extension .blend, which indicates a Blender file, and click on that. After finding your .blend file, the final step is straightforward. Just click the Open button located at the bottom right of the file window. This action will close the file browser and load your selected Blender file into the main interface, ready for you to work with. And there you have it. Your chosen project is now open in Blender. By following this easy-to-understand process, you can access your saved projects anytime and continue your creative journey in Blender seamlessly. With practice, this process will become second nature, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time creating in Blender.